Good morning, students. In our previous reading of this chapter, chapter 6, Understanding Media, we studied about media. What is the meaning of media? Concept of media. And we have discussed about what is the relationship between media and you. Students, can anyone tell me something about media? What is media? Just recall. How will you define it? For media, we may use a simple definition, a simple sentence, all the mediums of communication. Media is all the medium of communication. All the sources which we may use for communication are the parts of media. Just like in our daily life, we may use telephones, mobile phones to talk to someone, newspapers to convey their messages, TV, televisions, radio, internet, and our social media accounts which we are using in our daily life, like WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook. All these are parts of media. So, let's start and take a further reading of this chapter. Students, we use television for enjoyment purpose. Use television to watch favorite program, listening on the radio, newspaper or magazine to read, and internet for surfing. We use all these media sources. There is only one word that is often used to collectively refer to these words for communication. Media is a single word which we may use for collectively all of these things. This word is media. In this chapter, we will mainly discuss about media and how it affects it on our daily lives. Media is the plural form of the word medium, and it describes the various ways through which we communicate in society. It refers to all means of communication. A phone call to the evening news on TV can be called media. Television, radio, newspapers are a form of media that reaches millions of people or the masses, a group of people, a large number of peoples across the country and the world. Thus, they are called mass media. When our communication reaches to many of peoples, and a great number of people, a large number of peoples, then it will be known as mass media. Media and technology. Media works with the collaboration of technology. Media clearly depends on technology. Before approx 200 years. There were no telephones, no internet, no televisions. If the television was working, then it was only black and white television, not color televisions, LCDs, LEDs, which we are using now in these days. They were not in functioning, they were not in use. So, the technology and mass media use keeps changing. Invention of black and white TV. After that, broadcasting. Broadcasting throughout the world. We may watch, we may see a channel from other country which is broadcasting through other country and may see in the world. Newspaper, television, and radio can reach millions of people because they use certain technologies. We also tend to discuss newspaper and magazine as well as the print media. Newspapers and magazines are part of print media due to publishing because we published it on papers. And second thing is electronic media. Can anyone tell me about electronic media? Television, radio, and other things. These are electronic media. We use different technologies in media. Here we will use an example of media. Following photographs will give you a sense of the ways in which technology that mass media use has changed over the years and continues to change. Changing technology or machines and making technology more modern helps media to reach more people. With the developments of technology, machines make it more modern and helps media to reach more people in the way of broadcast. It also improves the quality of sound and the images that you see. Black and white televisions or black and white photographs, marriage albums, and now colored images, colored televisions, LCD, LEDs. But technology does more than this. It also change this way or change the way in which we think about our lives. Today, it is quite difficult for us to think of our lives without television. It has enabled to think of ourselves as a member of large global world. We use television to watch many of programs like serials, cartoons, telefilms, or movies, and news. So, this allows us to view news and entertainment from other parts of the world. All of these channels are broadcasting through various countries from other parts of the world. Most of the cartoons that you see on television are mostly from Japan. Mostly cartoons published from which country? Japan or the United States. We can now be sitting in Chennai or Jammu and can see images of a storm that has hit the coast of Florida in the United States. Television has brought the world closer to us. Through the use of television, radio, internet, we may get information what is happening around the world, what is happening in the world, all the matters, political, social, economical, and sports. All the news reach to us through television or radio or any kind of electronic or print medias. They cover the news and broadcast or published through their channels. With the invention of typewriters or machines, functioning of media change. We may see in this picture Gutenberg's printing press when the first sheet of the Bible print. And now in these days we may use large machines to print number of 100 copies in a single time. Just we can take an example of newspaper printing. In a newspaper, production firm, they print number of thousands paper in a single working day, in a single round. It is possible only due to technology. So, in this way, media and technology related to each other. Media clearly depends on two basic factors. One is technology, and second is for using technology, we need money. Okay, students, do revise the topic. Rest of the part of this chapter we will complete in our next lecture. Thank you.